Hey, good evening, everyone. I'm about to do a seafood boil, and I'm making my own seafood sauce that I like to dip my seafood in. The ingredients that I'm using are Creole seasoning, um, ground red pepper or cayenne pepper, Old Bay seasoning, paprika, um, chili powder. I like to use the chipotle. You can use the regular. Granulated garlic, granulated onion, accent, oregano, black pepper, lemon pepper, brown sugar, a fresh lemon, 3 sticks of unsalted butter, your favorite hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, ginger, garlic, the Badia complete seasoning, Lowry sea salt, seasoned salt. I don't have enough, so I'm actually gonna do a part sea salt and a part of the Lowry salt. And shallot. Instead of using onion, I'm using something a little bit milder, which is a shallot. And this is probably like depending on how you can buy them, sometimes you can find them fairly large. If you can, it's about half the size of the palm of your hand. That will do, or you can get 3 small ones about the size of a golf ball, or less. It just depends on how much you like in yours. I like onions, so this is how much I use. This is probably like about a half a cup. So let's go ahead and get started. What I'm going to do first is put all the ingredients and mix them in the bowl. So I'm making a small batch. So it's going to be 2 teaspoons of pretty much everything. All right, so the first thing we're going to start off with is 2 teaspoons of the chili powder, teaspoons of the granulated onion, 2 teaspoons of the granulated garlic, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of accent, 1.5 teaspoons of Old Bay, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper, 1 tablespoon of the complete seasoning, and see how much we can get of the seasoning salt. But you know, I'm not even going to put 2 because I forgot I have the lemon pepper seasoning, which has salt in it. So this is pretty much about 3/4 of a teaspoon. Well, actually, you know what? Let me see. Yeah, this is about 3/4 of a teaspoon of seasoning salt. Then 2 teaspoons of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of the Cajun seasoning, for the cayenne pepper, I'm just gonna put a couple of shakes in there, which is probably like about 1/8 of a teaspoon. You can add more if you like. You can also add the crushed red pepper. I personally don't like anything real hot. I can deal with the spicy, but not the hot. So now that we have everything together, we'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and put the butter and saute the, oh, I'm sorry, I almost forgot. I have 3 tablespoons of brown sugar as well. Now, this is optional. I like to add a little sweetness to mine. However, like I said, this is optional. You can add 1 tablespoon at a time and taste it to see if it's to your liking, you know, before you add more. But I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons in here. And then I'll come right back after I get the butter melted, which it's already melted, but I need to add the onions and, the shallots, the ginger, and the garlic, and let it saute for a little bit, and then add the hot sauce to it. I'll be right back. 3 sticks of butter are melted. Now I'm adding my shallots. And I'm going to go ahead and stir up my seasoning. Get that all combined together. That's that brown sugar. All right, we'll set that aside. So now I got the shallots in there. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of ginger. And I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of garlic. You can add less if you like. I like garlic. About 1, 2, 3. Stir it around in there. Okay, now I'm going to add my hot sauce. This is a little 5-ounce bottle. You can get whatever kind you want. I like this because I put this on everything. Got a little leftover on a bigger bottle. Okay, Worcestershire sauce, about 1 tablespoon of that. Stir that around. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and add the seasonings. Stir it together and let it simmer. And I'm also going to add the juice of 1 lemon. It's a smaller lemon. What the lemon juice does, it gives it a little twang. I'm just going to add half of it and then taste it when it gets finished to see if I need to add any more. But for now, Just gonna add the one. So I'm gonna let this simmer on low for like about 20 minutes, and then I'll come back and we'll take a look. All right, so this has been sauteing or cooking for simmering, I should say, on low for about 20 minutes, just to make sure that the shallots have been cooked through the garlic as well as the ginger, because that garlic will have a real raw taste to it if it's not cooked. So this is it. This is my seafood sauce. Hope you enjoy.